What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to refund on AllChinaBuy. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly get a refund here on AllChinaBuy? Well, there is something that you can try doing here. So first things first is you want to go ahead and go to allchinabuy.com here and just basically log in into your account. But typically speaking, once in the AllChinaBuy website here, you want to go and click on the support page here or support icon that you see here, and you want to go and click on contact us. Now, it should redirect you to this page here, which allows you to contact them via the details that you are seeing here. So first, we have business corporation, but this is just for businesses, so we want to go and contact customer service email, which in this case is going to be the following email address. Now, what you need to do is you just need to go ahead and email them via this way. So you want to go and copy their email address, and you want to go and choose or open up your email service or platform that you're using. Now, in whatever platform that you chose, like for mine, I've chosen Gmail here. So you just need to enter the email address, and you want to go and specify the subject here. So I would recommend you to specify that you need assistance on basically getting a refund on an item. Now, you will just want to go ahead and just explain your current situation. Like, for example, you want to provide the reason why you want to have a refund. Like, for example, the product is defective or it's not what you've expected. And also, you may need to provide some images here just for proof. So, yeah, so you just need to basically interact with their support and just follow the steps that they'll be providing you in order for you to process the refund for your order. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.